Boker Tov, good morning. Continuing with our 3-minute daily dose of Torah. You might have noticed that I sent out an announcement that said that Shabbat Hagadol Drashah will take place on Sunday evening at 8 o'clock. That's weird to say that a Shabbat Hagadol event is happening on a day other than Shabbat. But so be it. We have no choice. We need to be able to reach each other this year, and the most effective way to do so is still over Zoom, and so that's why we scheduled it then. The real question I have is, well, when is Shabbat Hagadol anyway? When is it? And we'll start with the first part of the question, which is, what is the obligation for the Drashah of Shabbat Hagadol? It seems that it relates to the teaching that the Gemara relates that Sho'olim V'Dorshin B'Hilchot HaChag, you should be involved in question and answers about the rules of the holiday already 30 days before the holiday itself, and that would be so Hilchos Pesach would happen a month before already, basically on Purim to start that, and so the drasha that is given before Pesach was understood certainly by many, and all the way down to the Mishnah Berurah and his comments, as the opportunity for the rabbi an obligation of the rabbi to prepare everybody for all the rules that apply to the days ahead, how to kosher their homes properly, how to remove all the chametz properly, how to kosher your pots and pans and be ready for Pesach. And he actually states, the Mishnah Berurah, that if a rabbi gives a Shabbos Hagadol talk and doesn't have any words of halacha, dinim, specific laws that the people need to know, then he hasn't fulfilled his obligation. That Mishnah Berurah's position is that because that's the role of the Shabbat Hagadol Drashah, it should be given on the Shabbat a week before Pesach, when things fall out the way they do this year, where Erev Pesach is on Shabbos. So Shabbat Hagadol's Drashah, at least, is experienced on the 7th day of Nisan. That's this coming Shabbos. The Aruch HaShulchan, amongst others, takes the position that no, that's not what this is about. That the main job of the rabbi in the Shabbos Hagadol talk is to help uplift people's hearts, and it's actually described in the Alter Rebbe in his Shulchan Aruch. Actually says that these days people learn mitoch svarim and not mitoch sofrim. People learn rules from books less than they learn them from those who tell and teach the books, teach what's ultimately in the books, which is a really interesting position to take. And the main job of the rabbi in the drasha of Shabbos Hagadol is indeed to help move people and to bestir them and to help and help give them a spiritual uplift. And for that reason, the Aruch HaShulchan said there's no reason to move it off of the 14th of Nisan, and he would have you have the drasha then. Our reality is that I think for the most part, I know very few rabbis who are going to do that, even though for the most part, rabbis will give the type of drasha, as I will too, which focuses much less on any halachic matters in the rules of Pesach and more on the themes of Pesach that we are to be taking to heart. Tomorrow we'll talk about some other elements, God willing, related to Shabbat Hagadol and what is Shabbat Hagadol anyway. Have a great day.